guys, hello everyone, and hello Miss Henry. So today I want to tell you a story about my mom's birthday. So in the 25th January, which is this day, my mom's birthday has been celebrated. Yes, it all started at 3 a.m. in the morning, and I prepare a nasi tumpeng for surprise my mom. I make it all of the part in nasi kuning tumpeng or rice tumpeng. Yes, something like that. I make it by myself. I make the spicy egg or the noodle and the fried chicken and the potato ball or perkedel, and I make the tempe orek. I don't know what we should call, but it call it in Indonesia tempe orek, and all of the ingredient is in one plate and called a nasi kuning. And on the 6th a.m. in the morning, I gave it to my mom, and her reaction was, "Oh my god, really? You made it by yourself? Really? You're such a kind kid. You're my lovely, lovely Alvita." And like that, and I give her a big hug, and I give her a kiss, and the last I give her pray, or I give her a present that the inside is a gloves, a motorcycle gloves, because she work every day with, not with, but she going to her work with a motorcycle, so that's why I give her motorcycle gloves. So that's all about story in this day. Hope you enjoy the story, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.